The fall collection is releasing on the Happy Planner website tomorrow, September 7th at 9 a.m. Pacific time. So excited about this release. If you didn't see my unboxing, you can go ahead and take a look at that. But I am a Happy Planner brand ambassador, so if you like this kind of thing, if you like seeing sneak peeks before stuff comes out, then I would suggest subscribing to me because they do send me packages regularly, so thanks for that. Also, there are codes for you with this sale, and I'll put them on the screen right now, so don't forget to use those codes to save. I'll put them in the description box of this video as well, along with my affiliate link. I would always appreciate it if you bookmark it and get it ready to use for release day tomorrow. That would make me so happy. It really does help me out a great deal, so thank you for using my links. So I have 3 large sticker books here. We have Apricot and Sage, Organic Wellness, and Sunny Risograph. And I don't know if I'm saying that right, I think so. But let's go ahead and get started, and I'll just do these in no particular order. I guess the order I have them in. So these 3 sticker books all come in the regular value pack size as well, just so you're aware. And I'll probably be buying them tomorrow too. I was going to also make a video on the things that I'm purchasing tomorrow, but since my box just got here, I have to really sit down and make a list. So maybe I will put that on my Instagram story or my YouTube story, something. This first page is clear. By the way, this is a mom sticker book, the Apricot and Sage, but you can also use it if you're not a mom. I say that all the time. They kind of make these sticker books so that they are geared toward everyone. Even if it's not specific to you, you can still use a lot of the stickers in it. So this is a clear page. Kindness is the greatest wisdom. Shine bright, love more. Busy days, happy heart. You can see already, if you're not a mom, you can use it. Focus on the now. It's okay not to do it all. Wonderful days are ahead. Look how far you've come. Let today be the start of something new. Love that. And love these colors. These are perfect colors in my opinion. This soft sage green and the soft blue, the soft peaches. There's gold foil on this page. Fall in love with life. Create a happy life. The days are long, but the years are short. Overstimulated mom club. If you're not a mom, you can just cut that out and put overstimulated. Surrounded by love. Happy mama, happy life. The word of the day every day is no. Mom, master of multitasking. Don't stop until you're proud. Good things take time. My self-care routine is going to the store alone. It used to be mine too. Now my self-care routine is staying home. When you love what you have everything you need. Started about 8 different tasks today and finished none. Okay, you don't even have to be a mom to do that. I do that every day. Embrace what is good. There's joy in simplicity. These are on paper. Nap time, hustler. Good times, love is patient. These are on clear. Present over perfect. Not all problems are yours to solve. Always choose to act with a kind heart. So you can see how big these stickers are. Look at my hand. Look at the stickers. I mean, you can use them in a big happy planner, but you don't need a big happy planner to use them either. You can use them in any planner. Just fit boxes in around it or something. Surviving motherhood on coffee. If you're not a mom, cut off and you can use that as a coffee sticker. Feeling lucky to be a mother. That looks like a donut. These are on clear. My favorite people call me mom. New day, fresh start, one day at a time. These are fun little blobbies. Big blobbies, actually. Love life, mom life, so tired. Mom boss, perfect day, keep on shining. And then these are on clear. They go into like the corners of your spread, either vertically or horizontally. Cute daisies. Look at these. These are also on clear. So pretty. And this page is gorgeous. Look at this page. You know, the flowers are, you know, kind of have green around them, but you can also use the background to cut out for strips or anything you need. These are on clear. We have these really pretty leaves in those green colors. So really cute sticker book. I am definitely going to be getting the smaller one as well. I'm sure there's other types of stickers in there too. Next, let's look at organic wellness. This one looks so fun. I love this color palette. It's like pinks and oranges and teals, like really bright and fun. And there's addition of the brown in here, which is kind of cool too. These are on clear. We have palm trees, live life fully, my kind of day, life is sweet, make today fun, focus on you. Also on clear, strive for balance, life is always now. And these are one sticker for each one, but of course you could cut out, you know, you can cut them out. You just have to cut between them, and that's totally fine. You could even cut out, if you didn't want these big semicircles, you could even cut out the little quotes. Love my life, strive for balance. Hey, you're great. Oh, that's cute. It's the simple joys. Those are on clear. I love that little landscape. That's so cute. I am going to say cute about 275 times in this video. So if you're someone who is opposed to the word cute, I would suggest watching another flip through, but you know, I'll try to tone it down as much as I can, but I can't promise you because they're cute. What can I say? Joy, reset, calm. No, not reset, rest. There's not a second E. Calm, relax. Those are really, you know, feed your soul, find yourself, just be you, live in love. I really like that font. That's on clear. So these have gold foil. They say things like grateful today, dream every day, look for the good days are coming. Really motivational little thingies, thingamabobs. These are like this big, each of these. And like this one is just the palm trees. I think they're all about the same size. Yeah, see? And then in between you can use, you know, there's quite a bit of space in between. Do you see? So you could cut this out and use it as a strip. They're not cut out to be strips, but you can do that. This is paper, here and now. You are rad. You guys are rad. Thank you for watching my videos. Palm trees. And if you don't like the rounded look, I know some people don't like the arches and don't like I call these the pill-shaped ones in my head anyway. If you don't like those, then you can always turn it into a rectangular sticker or a square or something. I mean, I always try to change up my stickers and tell you guys how to change them up. So for this one, it would be a little more difficult, but you know, you can cut it off here and then just have the rounded top, or you can cut around the tree. I mean, these you can cut like a rectangle out. You don't have to use them as is, but I like them. Whatever you do, do your best. Let's chill. You got this. Take it easy. You are capable of amazing things. Life is too long to be unhappy. So these are obviously very big stickers. I believe in the person I am becoming. Happiness is a journey, not a destination. These are gold foil. Choose to be proud of myself. I choose to be proud of myself. It's the simple joys. These are real big. So these are great for the sidebar. I mean, or if you're just, I don't know, you're not planning to write on a particular day, you could put it down on that day too. It's okay to do. It's okay. Hey, everything will be okay. Love, love, love that sentiment, because I can't tell you how many times I've needed a sticker that says, hey, everything will be okay. And, or it's okay. So very much appreciated. Happy Planner. By the way, Happy Planner, if you're watching, hey, thanks for the package. Really, really always appreciate when you send me stuff. Thank you. Sometimes I forget to say it, but I really do appreciate it. Take one step towards your dream today. Look at the magic all around you. Remember to be kind to yourself. Some strip stickers. And then we have clear circles that have palm trees on them. I could see doing a whole spread with just some like layered on top of each other bubbles, like palm tree bubbles. That's the name of it. That's what I'm calling it in the future. All right, so that is organic wellness. You guys, this is only my first flip through video of all of these. Imagine how slap happy I'm going to be by the end. So stay tuned for the other one where I flip through like 14 sticker books. Should be interesting. Okay, last but certainly not least, probably my favorite of the three is Sunny Risograph. This one is so bright and cheery. I can't handle how cheery it is. Okay, so the first page is on clear. Look at these flowers. The color palette is so pretty. It's like neon, kind of. I love it. There's gold foil on this page. See the good in all things. Say hello to happy. And this page, you guys, these are unclear, but look at these flowers. They're so my vibe. I can't handle it. They're so cute. And then we have these big, big rectangle stickers, the big decorative boxes. Keep life fun, find your happy. There is beauty everywhere, spread joy. I love that pop of green, so fun. Life is so sweet, choose love. Hello, beautiful. Today is full of wonderful things. These are very, very happy, motivational quotes that just make you feel kind of good, you know, at least for me. This is unclear. Be you bravely. Keep life fun. And then, I mean, who doesn't love a good gummy bear sticker? Who? You tell me. Although I have never had one, so now I have 8. I'm not naming them. They're not real. Okay, so what are these, you ask? I'm not sure. Are they circles? Why, yes, they are. Are they all circles? Yep. Okay, so they have quotes on them with this cute little background. Dream bigger, make yourself proud, dare to begin, seize the day, good times, stay colorful. And this is so cute. Hello, happy, happy, happy. Choose love. And then these are clear. And then flowers. This page, you guys. Who can pass up this page? Life is sweet with this page in my life, I will tell you. I want to paint these kind of lemons on my kitchen wall. I might do that. Anyway, really love this apple. Apple and the lemon are my fave on the page. Probably the apple. That is a cute apple, if I ever did see a cute apple. And this page might be my favorite page of all because we have large stamps with food and flowers on them. And there's something whimsical and fun about that. I mean, cake on a stamp. They're only 25 cents each. I mean, probably if you count up the stickers in the sticker book, they're more than that, but shh. This is your year. Cherish every moment. Embrace the journey. Collect moments, not things. Good things are coming. Look at these. These are unclear. They're so fun. I don't know what they are, but you can make stuff with them, or you could just make designs. You could totally make smiley faces with them. Anyway, these are not individual circles though. These are one, but you can cut them apart if you need individual circles. Same with these, I think. Yeah, these, and these are one sticker. I may cut them apart and use them in different ways. I'm not sure yet. These have lots of little gold polka dots. Be bold, brave, and brilliant. Say yes to new adventures. Have the time of your life. Look at these suns. They are wild. I love them. Find the beauty in everything. Do what makes your soul shine. It's your time to shine. They're shining. And then we have polka dots with gold foil here, and then strictly gold foil polka dots. They're bunches like this. More strips. I love the strip stickers. You're capable of amazing things. Choose love and laughter. Be fearlessly authentic. Stuff like that. And then these blobby ones, you know, in between. So that is the Sunny Risograph sticker book. This also comes in a classic value pack, so I will be purchasing that as well. So there you have it. Those 3 gorgeous new large size sticker books. Thanks again, Happy Planner. Don't forget to use my affiliate link, and don't forget those codes. And there will be a playlist down below. I'll make a fall collection playlist for you so that you can check out my other videos, but there's more coming up, so keep watching. I think I'm making about 3 or 4 different flip through videos, so you can watch those tonight, make your lists. Let me know in the comments which one of these sticker books is your favorite. My order is boom, boom, boom. What's your order? See ya.